Have you ever wondered how your dinner will look like? Good Food Meal Kit reached out to me and we want to unbox this and prepare our dinner. Let's unbox now and let's see what's inside. Then watch me as I prepare dinner. Good Food made cooking so much easier with their fresh meal kits delivered right to your door. They take the hassle out of meal planning, provided everything you need to create mouth-watering dishes at home. I got their classic package, which include 3 different meal kits, and I couldn't wait to dive in. The first meal I tried was the sauce chicken breast with mashed potato, and let me tell you, it was absolutely divine. The aroma filled my kitchen, even though I didn't add the mushrooms. The taste was so yummy and it's really lovely. It was super easy to prepare, making it perfect for a quick yet impressive for family dinner. Cook food provide delicious and well-balanced meal, but they also make cooking fun and stress-free. Guess what? You can get your first box for free. Interested in trying it out? DM me for the link to claim your free box or check my bio to grab your free meal kit now. You don't want to miss out from this.